how to buy from Xianyu updated 2026. Now this tutorial is for experienced buyers only. Please make sure you've at least bought from Taobao or a Chinese marketplace before you follow this tutorial, just so you get familiar with buying from a Chinese marketplace, using an agent and shipping it to you. If you're like me, been buying from China for like 7 years plus, Xianyu is a game changer. I'm gonna go over absolutely everything in this video, step by step, start to finish. It'll be time-stamped. It's very important you lock in for this. While it's one of the best marketplaces, it is also one of the most risky marketplaces, buying from fake sellers, scammers. For 99% of the sellers, there is 0 returns. That's why I'm so specific and going into detail, because you want to get it right. You want to make sure it's a good product, a good seller. So many of the tutorials on the internet just show you like 5-second clips of how to buy, completely neglect all the bullshit that's on this app. What do you need for this tutorial? You need a Taobao or Alipay account. If you don't have one of those, I don't recommend following this tutorial. You can join my Discord and open a ticket. You can also develop like your For You page if you haven't an account. I recommend making an account. Alipay, you should be using Alipay by now, and you should have bought from Taobao. So I'm going to assume you have an account. If you don't, you can ask questions in the Discord. Now, the next thing I need you to get is the official Google Translate plugin. This one here, I'll link it in the description. You want to download this because it's a fully Chinese website, and if you use the built-in Google Translator, it will not translate any like buttons, or it'll translate like 3% of the website. So this one here actually allows it to translate everything. I'll show you how to use it in a second. General rules when using Xianyu and what I use Xianyu for. So what I use it for is room decor is very good on Xianyu. A lot of sellers, they'll also sell on Xianyu the damaged stock. Some of the items are like so barely damaged. You'll find some of the items that might be priced at like $500. They've got a slight like mark on them or a scratch, and they'll be listed at like $80. It's very good for finding the cheapest deals. I also use it for buying sold out or discontinued batches. So guys that have very limited runs of, like, for example, Vovo with the Venom boots, he sold out so quick. And if you go on Xianyu, you can find Vovo's items that are sold out and you can buy them. I would say for us overseas buyers, just avoid trying to buy authentic products off of Xianyu. Xianyu is essentially like a Chinese eBay, a Depop, where regular people like me and you can list your products like shoes and you can sell them within China. It's not really designed for people outside China to buy from it. Using an agent, you can buy from these marketplaces. Just avoid trying to buy real shit. Avoid buying expensive items until you've found a seller that's so good, you trust so much. You can then test with more expensive items from them. So let's get into how to buy from Xianyu. So you're going to need an agent. Top link in the description will be Sugar Goo. This is the only way you can buy from Xianyu. Very simple. They essentially talk Chinese to the seller. If you have any problems, they'll message you. It's just your best friend. There's no way you can buy from Chinese marketplaces without a Sugar Goo account. I've used Sugar Goo for 7 years. It is the best agent by far for these DIY orders in specific. So you want to come over to Xianyu or goofish.com. It is an Alibaba owned service. So that's why you need a Alipay account or a Taobao account, so you're not forced with the sign-in options. So what I like to do is get the app on my phone, go on the internet, screenshot your favorite drip. I use it for finding the craziest Chrome products. You'll see it in a second. The web version of Xianyu doesn't have the image search function, but I'll show you on phone. You can just go to your camera roll, find what you're looking for, and it will search it for you. And then you can start to develop that little For You page. You can use the PC or phone on Sugar Goo to buy from Xianyu. So this is my little For You page here. You can see it has genuinely some of the craziest drip. This stuff you will not find anywhere else. Just a quick hint, some of the best Chrome sellers live on Xianyu. I mean, look at this. It's very overpriced, some of the stuff, but like you can see here, there is some genuine grails, like the fucking rug. Like, oh man, I'm about to cash the fuck out. You can see here. I also use it for RM straps as well. But again, guys, cheap items first. When you find a listing you like, this guy here, how do you tell if this seller's a scammer, legit? This is how you do it. So this is why you need this little translator plugin here, because this stuff here you can't translate regularly. So once you get the plugin, you have this pop-up. You can use this and you can translate everything. So you can see this guy's been on Xianyu for 9 years. He's not just like a burner account. He's only sold 4 items, not a good sign. There is no reason you should be buying from people that have such low sales. Way too little reviews. This is an example of a seller I wouldn't buy from. There's no reason to. There's so many verified sellers, there's just, I don't see, look, 2 reviews, they don't even screenshot the product. Like, they might not even be real reviews. So if you go back to the For You page, I don't gotta stop calling it a For You page. Yo, I'm just gonna stop for a second. Sorry, we're getting sidetracked. Look at these fucking chrome denim. These are apparently real. I would never, this is like my dream pair of pants, bro. This is the shit you find on here. Let's go to this bag here. So you look for this little badge here. This is a verified badge. You want to go to his thing. Have a place on your computer or your phone where you can store links. Take your time with the Xianyu. Don't rush into buying shit. Just take your time. You'll end up wasting money. Also, the big thing, you want to look for these reviews that have actual images in the review. These text ones are so hard to verify. Look for the ones that say buyer and look for the ones that have actual images. So you can see this guy got the most dog shit images of all time, but at least there's reviews here. Yeah, you want to look for this verified badge here, and also look for negative reviews, right? So there's no negative reviews here. So just look for the negative reviews. I'm just going to use this as an example. Okay, so when you want to copy a product link, you want to go to the very top here and just click Control C, go over to the agent. Once you've signed in, come to the top here and click DIY order, and you'll get this little blank spot here. So first thing you want to do is come to the goods link. You want to Control V it into here. That is the URL to the product link here. Click Control C here on the full title and then put that there. Store name, you want to go back to the Xianyu and you want to copy their store name, like this one up here. And then go to Control V and then goods remark. If it is a shoe and you want a certain shoe size, make sure to check they have the shoe size. I'm going to show you that in just a second. I'm just going to do this one first. If you want to be extra certain, let's say there's a link with multiple colors or something, just screen cap the color you want of the specific one. Let's say you want pink. Just use snipping tool like this. Boom. And then just snipping tool the color you want and put that in that box. Okay, unit price as well. So you want to go up here, get the yarn in there too, like that. Actually, don't do the yarn in it, just do the yarn price. Quantity 1, let's say. Local shipping fee. If you go back up to here, it says free shipping. So you can do $0 if it's far away from the Xianyu warehouse. Xianyu will message you and say they need 10 yarn for shipping. They'll let you know that. You can just do 0 or even just 10 yarn just in case. And it's like legit cents. I'll leave that up to you. I usually leave it blank though. And then you've got the total there and then you can just click agent buy there. And then just like buying from Taobao, it'll end up in this area here as like a DIY order. And then you wait a little bit longer and it will arrive in the packing center. You can check the photos. I'll put this at the start. I'm gonna say it 10 times during this video. For 99% of the sellers, there is 0 returns. That's why I'm so specific and going into detail, because you want to get it right. You want to make sure it's a good product, a good seller, because you can't give it back. So when you're buying shoes like these, I need these. Again, this is I just wouldn't fucking buy something this expensive. You really just start with cheap shit. Then you want to go down here. You see the shoe code. You see there's 2 sizes, 44 and 45. So then it's just pretty simple. Go back to Xianyu if it was shoes. And then in the goods remark, you just do 45. And let's say there was black and white. I would screen cap the white and I would also write white in here. Just make it so clear for the Chinese what you want. And yeah, that's how you buy from Xianyu. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Join the Discord. You can chat to me directly and actual Chinese people. They'll help you out. If you want to learn how to buy from other Chinese marketplaces, you can watch this video. I love each and every single one of you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.